Marco, guys, I need to breathe for 100 minutes. I need to breathe. I did something stupid. You're probably like, what did you do? Who is this boy? Who is this man? Who is this man? I can tell you, who is this man? Hello, world. It's me, Marco. You could call me that. You could call me True Hacker. Call me the hero. Call me whatever you want. Today, I'm gonna react to my stupidity. And we're just gonna look up how to on YouTube. May cause serious side effects, including penile fracture or other serious injury during an erection, and severe allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis. Seek help if you have any of these symptoms. React. Sexual activity during and for at least 4 weeks after each treatment cycle. React. This phone doesn't like to listen. React to. See, my phone is stupid as. I try to fix my phone. And you know what I get
Casper's biannual bedtime
from?
sale has arrived. Save up to 50%
Stupid things.
mattresses, plush pillows, cozy sheets,
A dream.
Experience better sleep for a lot less. Shop the biannual bedtime
Probably
sale online at Casper.
did this a long time ago when he was making his music stuff. Dreamy boy. Dreamy. I don't know. Anyways, shrum. Chicken faces, what a red weapon, isn't it? Okay. Today, I'm not gonna Today, we're just gonna, fix my phone. No, I'm not crying. I'm not. But I can tell you one thing, guys and girls. What patrons may not know is that this hotspot is a chilling history that I will. Definitely will. Bring out the Roblox. The building originally housed a speakeasy known as Frank's Place. Okay.
A variety of folks would come to Frank's Place to drink.
I'm just trying to breathe. Just trying to breathe. I mean, I don't know what to do. I'm just done already. I'm just completely done with everything happening.
Who would come over to the bar after work, and she would be friendly with the piano player, whose name we were told was Charlie.
I'm resurrection a piece of
Well. Look what we have here. On a side face.
She was a married woman, and before long, her estranged husband
the relationship became extremely volatile as the more she drank. And eventually,
This was one of my old views. We were gonna react to all of them. Cause why not?
By that, welcome back to this game. You know this game.
I gotta let my old self talk. Look at this boy. Who is this man? I don't know why I was talking so low.
What is that in the background?
The TV. I get 100 points or what?
No, don't want anyone's fun. You can probably hear the music, guys.
would be the last restaurant staff and
I
patrons saw
don't know if
the
that's
blue
copyright.
lady.
Ah, yeah. Turn it down.
Just make sure her
This
dad
game is,
found her soul
most of my
to this
life,
location.
and
My
I'm
Little
thankful that she's
Universe,
back because
I
I don't
think
get to see
it's
her that
called.
often.
Yes.
For many decades, people would either see her fully or they'd see an outline
I
in
mean,
the window.
pretty far. I just want to show you
Today's staff are well
how
aware
far
that
I
the lady's
I met
presence
Diana when
within
she was
the
9 years
Beach
old.
Distillery.
Diana was a very sweet and loving little girl.
Wow, this view is
very
pretty
energetic
long.
and
how much
family oriented.
Well, this whole view will be like a live thing, so
all this talking.
my first time being live. That's totally a lie.
You know my parents there. I think that Vaughn and Della were doing the best
Oh,
that
that's
they could trying to raise Diana. I think they just did what they thought was
what's going
best.
on.
Maybe it wasn't.
But
How are you feeling? How's your right now? I'm on medication that I need to be taking.
Look at this boy. He's super confused. He's like, what? How many chicken rice and magnet?
this is the first one.
I'm showing you all this now. I'll bring a part 2 if you want to, so leave a like, subscribe once again.
Despite all conversation before you don't stop.
There are definitely some days where
And for 1 second heart, no, it's like
that there's something down there.
whatever.
And also leave the notifications on, you know.
I mean, time. Bye guys, this was me. Your boy.
Everybody wanted to get out there.
Well.
Okay, I'll go downstairs and grab the bottles that I
Now we
need
have
for the rest of
so
the day.
many more.
So I went
It's gonna
downstairs
take a while.
and all of a sudden I felt like a shift in the energy. Oh, I'm getting chills.
And I'll show you that one later. You're probably you guys are just gonna pause and be like, put my reading glasses on. Where's my reading glasses?
I felt a hand
Yardy, yardy.
touching the
And
back
my
of
YouTube
head and my neck.
reset.
It terrified me.
Son of a.
I think my like fight or flight
Mm.
came up and I just bolted.
I need to hold it in.
Ran upstairs. I was just and then I did go downstairs by myself for a long time after.
My first edit
It
is
really
gonna
did scare me.
The Blue Lady
edit my voice out
such a
because it's
fixture and draw
bad.
at the Moss Beach Distillery that a piece
Well,
of art was made in her
goodbye,
honor.
world.
We have a holographic sculpture
I'll see you later.
of the Blue Lady